Hi guys, my name is Ain. In this video, we're going to discover on how to apply effect to the same product by just one click. So now you have your group dining set that you get from the club library, and you need to ungroup it first. You can just simply click Ctrl B on your keyboard, or you can use this ungroup function. Click on ungroup, and then it will be successfully ungrouped. So now, let's say you want to change the material or the color for your chair. Click on Edit Material, and you will enter this mode. Select the material. Let's say you want to change to this dark brown color. Click Save, click Quit. And how to change other chairs using the same material? Click on the chair. Find the three dot. Click on this three dot. Apply the effect to the same product. Apply all effect. And just by one click, it will change all the chairs using the same material. Okay, just click on the chair. Okay, click on the three dot. Apply the effect to the same product. So you can apply all effects, or you can partially apply the effect. Okay, so just click, and then it will change. And if you want to undo, just click Ctrl Z or undo. So you can still change the material and all. So happy trying. Bye bye.